Hi, I keep on demonstrating how I made each project from the memory box lookbook, and today's project is a romantic holiday card. I'm starting by cutting a frame for the card with my paper trimmer. Then I'm scoring the frame at all edges for a more finished look. Now I am going to glue a piece of vellum at the back of the frame. I'm tracing a circle using the largest die from the Shake a Circle frames set by Memory Box, and then I'm going to cut it out. I have die cut 3 frames with the same die, and now I'm sticking them one on top of another for more dimension. Let's make some die cuts now. I'll be using the Holly Flourish mini holly leaves. This is berry wine border, sketchbook love, and birds of a feather. All these dies are also by Memory Box. I'm inking the edges of a bird with a Stormy Sky Distress ink. To inlay the holly leaves, I'm flipping over the die cuts, then inserting the leaves and going over the junction with the glossy accents. And I'm doing the same with all the other holly leaves. To make a sentiment, I'm sticking the 2 die cuts, shifting the top one to the side, thus creating the shading. Now I'm sticking the berry borders on the card base with the liquid glue. As my card is larger than the standard size, I have to expand the border pattern. I am shaping mini holly leaves with the stylus, and then I'm going to stick them on the frame and also add some tiny berries. Now I am shaping the holly flourishes, and then I'll be adding all the elements to the front of the card. I'm piercing a hole with a craft knife to insert a large brad as an embellishment. And now I'm going to mount the frame on top of a card base. And the card is almost complete. You'll see in the pictures that I have decided to add a thin blue border around the frame. Here are some close-ups of the finished card. Thanks for watching. I hope you'll be back tomorrow. See you!